I got these plywood circles from Hobby Lobby. They come 3 in a pack, and there's a large, a medium, and small. Now, the medium one measures 6 inches. The small one measures 3 inches. And the large one measures 10 inches. I then took those plywood circles and I cut 3 of them in half. So I took a large circle and I cut it in half. So then I had 5 inches. I took another large one and cut it to 6 inches. And then whatever piece I had left from the 6-inch one now gave me the 4-inch. I took a medium one and cut that in half, which gave me 3 inches. And a small one, I cut that in half, which gave me 1.5 inches. I hope that makes sense. My goal was to just make them all different sizes so that they went from large to small. And then I took my Wise Owl Snow Owl paint, and I painted both the top and bottom of all of the pieces. I got this pack of candlestick 5 pieces from Hobby Lobby. It was $4.99, and you can use your 40% off coupon. And then at the flat end of the wood, I just found the center and made a little mark, and using my hot glue gun, I put the candlestick on the largest piece. And I repeated this step with the next size piece that I had. And then I'm going to glue those on top of each other. And then I took my next piece, glued the candlestick in the center towards the back flat part, and then glued those on top of each other. And I'm basically making a tiered tray, but instead of with full circles, I did half circles. So that way the back part that sits up against the wall is flat. So that's what we have so far. And now we're just going to decorate our tiered tray. So I got this truck from the Dollar Tree, and I painted it using Wise Owl Black. And then I have these little reindeer that I got from Hobby Lobby. It came in a pack with some snowflakes. And I painted 2 of them using chocolate from Wise Owl Paint. And then I just went back to my truck and used some dried thyme to paint the Christmas tree in the back of it. I got this little snowman from Dollar Tree. It came in a pack with some paint. And I painted the snowman completely black. And then once that was dry, I went on top of the body with some snow owl. And then I just dusted a little bit of the white on top of the hat. And then as you can see, I just left some of the black peeking through the scarf in the gift that he was holding in his hand. And then I just dry brushed on top of all the other pieces that I had painted. And just put a little dusting of Snow Owl. Once everything was dry, I took this little tin house I got from Target, came in a pack of 3, and I glued a popsicle stick on the bottom, and then I glued that to the bottom tier. And then I got these mini Christmas ornaments from Walmart, and I glued 2 of the tree shapes on the bottom tier with the house. Then I took the Christmas tree and truck that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I glued 2 small wood beads on the back tires so that it could stand, and I glued that in the next tier. I glued the snowman and then the 2 reindeer. And I added this little bow that I got from Walmart as well, and that was on the top tier. I took some of these Christmas trees, you can get them in a pack from Dollar Tree, and I just added some more snow owl to just make them a little more white. And I glued those in front of the 2 reindeer. And then I had this ornament that said "Let It Snow," and I put that next to the snowman. And now we just have this half-tier tray that you can decorate with whatever you'd like. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out some other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.